Everyone, and welcome to Wake Up with SEO with Guardian Owl Digital Boutique. Today is Wednesday, July 15th, and today's topic is just about optimizing images for search. Did you know that your images rank as well as your website pages? There are just a few actionable items that I wanted to pass along that can help you get your images to rank, and then therefore maybe if somebody doesn't land on your page first but they're looking for a particular image, they'll find your image and then come to your page. So 3 action items. Number 1, make sure that your file name for your image makes sense. A lot of times, well, most of the time, the file image auto saves to a long string of letters and numbers that don't make any sense. They need to be optimized and just a simple title that matches what the picture is about. Number 2, make sure that you have the relevant image to the page that it's posting to. This is probably the easiest action item that you can take because it's probably already been done. The reason behind that is that you want, if you're writing an article about having trouble sleeping during quarantine, but your picture isn't of a person sleeping or doing an activity that would relate to your topic, then it's not going to make a lot of sense, and then ranking is going to be a little bit more difficult. Topic number 3 is making sure that you're optimizing alt text correctly. Alt text, for a little bit of history, was originally used with screen readers for people who are visually impaired. And then Google realized, hey, this is a great place to put relevant keywords and then rank accordingly. So for example, if you want to describe the picture, but if you can, without overdoing it, it also is a good idea to put a relevant keyword for the article or the page that you're writing about into the alt text so that you can be found for that particular term. An example is I have a friend who writes a travel website, and her most popular page is about a room service menu at the Ritz-Carlton in Orlando, Florida. And it's not popular because of the text, which she's a lovely writer, but when people Google Ritz-Carlton room service menu, that's what comes up, and it's the image, and then that leads them to their page. So it just makes sense to make sure that your images are optimized, because if you don't catch them going to your website the traditional way, not through an image, then perhaps you can grab somebody coming to your website from an image that is relevant to their search. Hopefully you can take these ideas away with you and put them into action this week on your website. Thank you for joining us on this Wake Up with SEO, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.